series. So the question is, we have a word name table having column name, continent, area, population, GDP. So the question asks to write the solution to find name, population and area of the country. It has an area at least 3 million and the population at least 25 million. So this is very basic question, very two condition in single table. So select what they want, name, population and area from word where area greater than equal to 3 million or population greater than equal to 25 million. So this is very simple and very only this single condition. So perfect. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for the next video.